Saint Sammy disappeared, some which way, shape or form. I'm here with a new conglomerate. I'm gonna let the guys introduce it. Tell me what it is I am about right now. What's the group?
Right now you're listening to the Starstruck Music Group. Bimo, Mulapwap, your boy Lincoln Ward. Other group, Epic and Nix is not right here right now, but we're gonna still rep for them nonetheless. Right now it's a record label. They're pushing everybody out, you know what I mean? Putting all the different qualities and talents together and moving it to the next level. So, you know, it's one of the great initiatives from the BVI that is moving to the rest of the world. So, I want to introduce you to the Starstruck Music Group.
That's what's up, Starstruck Music Group. So this is your first performance now as Starstruck.
Starstruck, yeah.
The BVI Music Festival 2012, of course, agreed with the jump that platform off. I noticed that you guys perform in rotation. How did the idea come about?
Well, actually, Lincoln came up with the idea. We were on a boat going up to a rehearsal, and he said instead of us doing individually, since we're just starting out as a music group, we should do it, you know, back to back with different performances. So I said it's a good idea, and it worked out pretty well. So we're proud of that, and we're proud of ourselves right now. We worked hard for the last 2 weeks. I want to say a special shout out to the dancers. Monet is a beast. She and her dancers, they worked us. Yeah, they got to. Girls dancers walk us every day last week. So what you see out there, ain't really us. It was Monet and her dancers. So shout out to her. Shout out to the band. The backup singers. You know, it's a lot of work, but we made it happen. You know, they were down for the idea of us coming together, doing different things. We didn't want to come the same as everybody else. We want to do something a little different. You know what I mean? And it worked at the different energies that we bring. Just, you know, we're R&B, we bring in hip-hop, we do it any way we want it. So we want to keep the energy up. We want to make sure the crowd is into it. We want to give you a great performance.
That's what's up, man. I still trying to get accustomed to call this man Mullah. When you went to school with a man, you call him his name, but Mullah, what? I wanna hear. What's going on?
Man, you just gotta be busy, dog. You don't got to. That's all it is.
That's what's up. Tap on Vibes, Shea TV. Wait, hey, Sammy. Sammy has came back, right? Sammy, you have been fired. I have now taken over your show.
That's all the piece of there, but I know you're capable to do a great job. That's a good job.
Hey, team. Starstruck Music Group, Mullah, Bimo, Lincoln Ward, DJ Bertram. We out right now, alright?